Hi everyone, this is me again, Sugar. Is 44709. Galing ko na, no? Today, I'm going to SM Shumart, Santa Lucia, and anywhere. 3 department store we went today. Daming pera, no? Ito, I go to Santa Lucia department store. Okay? I buy some of my slippers, or what do you call that? Slipper or sandals? Slipper. This one, my favorite.
Sa rubber yan, di ba? Rubber.
Oh. I bought this in Rusty Lopez. Okay? And then I got another one.
From Santa Lucia.
From Santa Lucia again. I bought this in July. Ayan. 2,299. Very cheap.
It's less, 30?
Ha?
30 less.
Percent. 30 less. Ito naman, I bought also today. Very nice. Look at this. We bought this for 50%. So,
Shout out mo ko.
Ha?
With Princess Papes. I bought this with Princess.
I go to the mall with my friend here in YouTube with Princess Papis, the kawaii one. My friend, very cute, pretty. I know you know her. Okay, we have a twin like this. We buy the same. We bought this for 50%, so we got this for only 899 for now. Before is 1,600. Oh, very lucky. Okay, nice buy. Cute, no? And then I got also for my children shoes again for my two kids. I bought this for 1,000 ano? 99. This is for my son Jefferson, and I got this for free bag, Rusty Lopez. Okay, very nice. And for my son, very big big shoes, diba? Other one,
Ganda.
This is from Rusty Lopez. Okay, he look like binata na. Ano yung binata na? He's only 12 years old, but look at his shoes, very big, like a giant. Rusty Lopez. Okay, you can buy them. And then I got my jewelry. This came from Pacific Blue. I bought this today. So I spend much money. No eating tomorrow. I lost my money. Oh, kawaiso. Okay, very nice. And then I got my jewelry. This is ruby with diamond. I bought this for 70% off. 70 or 50. Then I got now for, before is 5,000 more, 6,000. Then I got this for 2,649. This is ruby, very cute. Ruby with diamond and white gold. So I buy this because very cheap. And I got my another favorite one. This came from here also. And then look at this. This is onyx, original onyx. Okay? But this is not a real one. This is only for fashion. I got for 799. Okay? Oh my God. I cannot eat tomorrow. I lost my money. And then I got my personal panty liner. And of course, I never forget my favorite, zebra. This is very expensive. I got this for 50 pesos. 50 pesos, it means, well, I think this is $50 per $50, I think. And this is 20,000 pesos. This is my favorite. Okay, so look at this. I never forget. And this one is also came from department store. This is near from my place, Masinag. Okay, I buy this. This is
Mascara.
Mascara.
And lip liner.
LA girl. This came from US. I bought this for 420 pesos. I don't know where did I put the box here. And this one is also from LA girl, from the US also. Then I got 270 pesos. Oh my God, very
so expensive
for me. I lost my money again. And I go to the Japan Home, the cheapest one store in the Philippines, okay? But for me, very expensive. I am not rich, okay? I got this for 88 pesos. Okay? And also this one, container. You can put anything like lipstick or your makeup or anything what you want to put for. This is $2. Very cheap. Yes, we. And then I got in Watson.
And I
this straight eyes. I like this. Very nice. Okay. This is lotion for renewing my skin. Become a baby skin. Just do. And then last one. I got this.
Wow.
88 pesos only. If you buy this outside in the market, example in supermarket, you can buy this for almost 148 in 10 pieces. But you can buy this in Japan Home
for only
88 pesos. Okay, that's all. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you like this haul. I forgot to buy this. This is only 39. 300 pesos, but you can get it for 39.75 if you had receipt in East Insure. That's all. Hope everyone you like my haul for today and my sexy body. Okay? Bye-bye.